This is you on your boat. This is any given pump or device on your boat that won't stay mounted in place, ever. Why? Because it's attached with screws. Here's another device on your boat that won't stay screwed down. It's a diaphragm pump that pumps out your toilet's holding tank, and it's got to come out for rebuild at least every 1 to 2 years, depending on your diet. Super fun getting this one in and out. Here's what it looks like when you eliminate traditional marine fasteners and install a set of monster studs. This thing's not coming loose ever again, unless you want it to. If you need to take it out, reach into that tight spot with one hand and a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, and you can unmount whatever it is in less than 3 minutes. Same thing with that other one. You know, the one mounted way up there in that forward locker, it's not going anywhere either. If it ever needs maintenance now, well, you get the picture. Piece of cake. Why screw around? Get you some monster studs. Then you can get back to doing this, or whatever it is you like doing with your boat.
You can't front on that.